So that big crack right there has to be welded up. It's a B-series hydraulic trans. I blew a diff before, so the bottom of the housing got a crack on it. Getting it TIG welded right now. Cast aluminum is super hard to weld, so letting a professional do it. So the tungsten rods for the TIG welding, the ends keep balling up, so I gotta go outside and sharpen them, make them to a nice point over and over. So here's the transmission my brother welded up for me. Had a crack down here. That's all nice and welded, inside and outside. I put the diff in to check if the welds are going to touch the diff, and it doesn't. This spins freely. Now I'm going to check the thrust play on the diff. So I got it all zeroed out. Take a screwdriver to the backside. So here's the shaft blade for this one. Almost 2/1000ths of an inch. I think that's within spec. So that's good enough.